Ayan, hello guys. Ayan, so we are going to have our video with this small orange. Like this. Ganito siya guys. Para siyang kiat-kiat pero hindi guys. And ito guys, tinikman ko na kanina and very sweet siya guys. There's no seeds inside. So seedless siya guys. Very sweet guys. Super sweet. Binili ko lang dito sa market. It's yummy. Agas ti panatong. Pwede mo siya guys gawing juice. Very juicy and it's sweet. Okay. Ang mahirap lang dito guys, sobrang nakadikit siya yung balat niya sa laman niya. Ayan. So ito guys ang aking imumukbang. So let's try this one. Ayan, let's try this. And ikwento ko pala guys habang binabalatan to. Nasira yung cam ng phone ko. O, diba? Actually, I'm using 2 phones. Alright? Yung isa rin pinag-video ko. And itong isa, pinag-video ko rin. Actually, 2 phones ang gamit ko. Ayan. And ito guys. Nasira. Nilaglag ng manok kanina. Nung nag-live ako. Yung cam niya. And ito guys. Super sira siya. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Sirang-sira siya. Hanggang loob. Pero, kinalikot ko siya, brinash ko konti. Pero, ayun. Pwede na ulit yung cam niya. Pero, kailangan palitan yan, guys, kasi sa LCD. Sayang naman. Ayan. So, let's taste it again. Guys, it's yummy. Promise. It's so sweet. You can try this one. Marami sa palengke, guys. I bought this one for 100 pesos. Yung isang bungkos na ganun. Ayan. So, thank you guys for watching. You can follow me, guys, on our YouTube channel. That's Jomari Jacob's Mama. Okay. Kaka-start pa lang namin, but hope that you will subscribe and follow us there, guys. So, watch our videos. Actually, guys, mix ang aking videos doon. But anyways, let's just enjoy it. Enjoy uploading and, you know, malay natin, ma-monetize din tayo. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. God bless po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye!